Okay, in this video we're going to show how to replace the amplifier from BMW original to our custom built on Class AB amplifier. This is a Class D. So our amplifier does sound better, and the high frequency sounds much nicer. So if you're interested, you can try it. So this is the original amplifier connected. So they can have two types of connector, the bigger one and the shorter one like this, but it really doesn't matter, same principle. So okay, what you first need to do, you need to disconnect the old amplifier. First, you disconnect this one, pressing on this tab. Second, using two hands, press this one to the right. Then press on this tab and remove this connector. Okay, this one is disconnected. So next step, you need to press it with your fingernail or anything you have. So there's a small tab right here. Push it a little bit. You can use kind of this tool or anything, just a little bit of here. Don't push it too much, don't break it. Okay, you just remove it like this. So that's what you're gonna have. Okay, the amplifier comes with this connector already installed. So what you do, you remove it, and you can see this is empty connector. What you need to do, you need to click this inner piece into this connector, and that's it. You can connect the amplifier. So first you connect this speaker connector. Using this finger like this here, just press it and push it to the left. Second, you connect the power connector, and the third one, you connect the optical connector. That's it. The amplifier is connected, and you can try to start your radio. Just a second. You can see the sound is there, and you can see there's a LED showing like an orange. You can see that it's receiving the signal and it's booted properly. That's it. You can adjust the equalizer, and it should be ready to go. That's it.